The medicine that provides immediate medical care in emergency situations and critical conditions is emergency medicine. Emergency medicine is a specialized field of medicine that focuses on the diagnosis, treatment, and management of acute medical conditions and life-threatening emergencies. Emergency medicine practitioners, known as emergency physicians or emergency medicine specialists, are trained to handle a wide range of medical emergencies, including 1. Trauma, injuries resulting from accidents, falls, or physical violence. 2. Cardiac emergencies, heart attacks, cardiac arrhythmias, and other heart-related conditions. 3. Respiratory emergencies, severe asthma attacks, respiratory distress, and acute respiratory infections. 4. Neurological emergencies, strokes, seizures, and traumatic brain injuries. 5. Allergic reactions, anaphylaxis and severe allergic responses. 6. Poisonings and overdoses, intoxication or exposure to toxic substances. 7. Severe infections, sepsis, severe bacterial or viral infections. 8. Acute abdominal pain, appendicitis, gallbladder issues, or other acute abdominal conditions. 9. Obstetric emergencies, complications during pregnancy, labor, or delivery. 10. Pediatric emergencies, critical illnesses or injuries in children. Emergency medicine specialists work in emergency departments of hospitals and healthcare facilities. They are trained to perform immediate medical assessments, stabilize patients, initiate appropriate treatment, and decide whether further hospitalization or specialized care is required. Emergency medicine is a fast-paced and dynamic field, and emergency physicians must be skilled at making rapid decisions in high-pressure situations. They work collaboratively with other healthcare professionals, such as nurses, paramedics, and specialists, to provide comprehensive and efficient care to patients in emergencies. The goal of emergency medicine is to provide timely and effective medical interventions to improve outcomes and save lives during critical situations. If you ever find yourself in a medical emergency, do not hesitate to seek immediate medical attention by calling emergency services or visiting the nearest emergency department.